Hi, are you looking for an affordable and delicious meals that fuel your body and satisfy your taste buds? Then my meal plan is perfect for you. First, let's talk about why meal planning is important. Research shows that planning ahead and cooking from home leads to overall better food choices and a healthier diet. So, why choose my meal plan? My meal plan is not only delicious and affordable, but it's also designed for people who wants to gain weight and to boost their energy throughout the day. It's the perfect solution for people who wants to gain weight and want to stay energetic throughout the day. So, what are you waiting for? Try my meal plan now.